What's up, guys? Hope everybody is well. So as the title says, today we are tackling the tow bar. I picked one up the other day for an absolute bargain of £30. Can't grumble at that. Even come with, if I can just grab it, even come with the new electric as well. So super stoked about that. So that is what we're fitting. At the moment, what we are doing is I've taken the bumper off and found a few hidden goodies behind there, so which I'll show you in a moment. So we are in the middle of just sort of tackling that. I also realised that my T4 is 1994, and I have got the newer T4 rear bumper, which has been made to fit. Pretty happy with that, actually, to be fair. I haven't done a bad job. The couple of things I may change again, which I'll run through in a minute, just to make life a little bit easier. But what I'll do, I'll turn this around and show you what I found, and I'll sort of aim from there, actually. But yeah, talk to you in a minute. Okay, so here we are. So this is the tow bar, which is just obviously just this bit here. It has been painted and treated already, so I will get onto that. Also, just seen behind it is a new slam panel that will be going on at some point. As you can see, it will need rubbing down and painting, but it's solid and it's straight. The one on ours is pretty bent down in this corner, but that'll be at a later date. So heading down the back, so as I was saying, that the bumper has been made to fit. So previous owners put these brackets in, which, to be fair, I'm pretty happy with, to be honest. Only thing I would do is he put a bolt through and then a bolt on the back. Now, trying to get a spanner on that nut is challenging. So what I might well do, rub this down and see if I can weld a nut on the back. Again, just making life a little bit easier for the future. And then down here, we have found that. Now, yes, it looks bloody awful, but it's in a real easy place to sort out. Nothing a little square plate won't sort out, but I'll have to get my grinder out with the sanding discs on and cut all that back, get rid of all the rot, and weld a nice new plate on that. It hasn't got to be pretty because it's not on show, it's hidden, but I'll get that all welded up, get it seam sealed, primered, and a load of underseal on it. That's for the back here. Nothing too frightening. Thankfully, all of this stuff here was all serviced. I've gone over it with the wire brush and drill. It's now been treated with rust treatment, so that is pretty cured now, and it's pretty solid. There's one over here, which tiny little hole here. I'm probably not going to worry about it. I've got rid of all of the rust. I've treated it. All of this, because it's not on show, I'm literally painting everything with underseal. That way it's just got an extra protection. Again, same over here. Have the bracket, and like I say, I'll probably get a nut welded on the back again to make life easier. A bit of service stuff here. So generally speaking, due to the age of the vehicle, we can't really grumble. But one thing that made me laugh, which I do have to sort out, again, easy fix, is this almighty bodge job for the rear fog light. Again, just a bit of electric tape, same there as well. So I will be cutting this, strip the wires back, solder it, and use a bit of heat shrink over that as well. And over here, if I can get it off, spade connector. So that's absolutely fine, but it's obviously run out of spade connectors and used one of these, which barely gets contact, so real bodge job, but again, a simple one fix, so I will be getting on top of that. So the tow bar will go on, obviously pretty straightforward, just bolts in the original holes that are there. The spare wheel won't be going back on. We have got a roof rack on it, so I'm just going to carry a spare tyre. But generally speaking, that's it. There's nothing too drastic I've got to sort out, but yeah, just a little bit more work. The bumper itself, which I've just taken to the back garden, but that's going to need a bit more work on the actual arms. they need treating and painting, and a new bolt put in to hold it actually to the bumper frame. So I'll get onto that. That'll probably be a separate video. But yeah, but like I say, I'll catch up with you all soon. But please like and subscribe, and